Hello! Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm Mains by Mel, your curly hair guru, and today we're going to talk about a topic that does get on everyone's nerves. We're going to talk about frizz. First, I'll just explain what I'm using. I am using the Aveda products. If you've been following me for a while, you know I am a big fan of Aveda products. And when I do use these products, I tend to just stick with the Aveda stuff. I don't mix it with any other product lines because sometimes it doesn't always work. So, when I need extra frizz protection, it's called the Smooth Infusion. And this is a nourishing styling cream. It's actually meant to put in your hair when you're blow drying. It's meant for smoothing out the hair. But I use it because its main properties are for anti-frizz. So I'm gonna use this first. Then I'm gonna go in with my curl enhancer, curl cream from Be Curly. And then gel is going to seal everything together after. So that's my Confixor. And then I'm going to use a magical product after, which will seal and defend against the rain to repel water. Yes, this is called anti-Humectant pomade. So I'm going to show you guys how I use these. So I'm going to go ahead and get to it while my hair is still wet. I'm also going to put a timer on my phone. I want to show you guys just about how long it would take to do a full head finger coil. Timer is on.
Okay, so as I do this, I'm also going to explain to you what I'm doing via ASMR. This is a new thing for me, and if you are uncomfortable, I'm sorry, but just know I am also uncomfortable. I wanted to bring some variety to my page. First things, oh, hold on. I forgot I'm whispering. First things first. So, apply your base product. This is my Smooth Infusion. I'm applying this everywhere. So now that I have my base in, I'm using the Be Curly Curl Enhancer. This is being applied on top of that, in through each section on my wet hair. You may watch me apply my product and think, why the hell is this bitch being so thorough? But there's a method to the madness. Then what you're gonna So, I'm so sorry. Oh, who the fuck is that? Really? Why do we have a landline anymore? Turn it off. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry you had to hear that. First, I saw a spider, and then the phone rang. But we're back. So, basically, I'm going to be skipping through a lot of this video because it would just be redundant since I already have a video on twisting. But let me explain why I am doing this. So, the whole theory behind this is you're literally smoothing down each little hair of frizz into its own curl. The cause for frizz comes from 1. Not applying enough product, and therefore your curls are dry, and therefore they react very badly when there is humidity in the air, because humidity is the moisture that it lacks. Number 2, if you're experiencing a lot of random lengths of hairs in your head that don't quite fit with the rest, you're wondering what the hell that is. Well, it's breakage or regrowth. New hairs that are growing in that aren't as long as the others. Or, like I said, breakage from, you being crazy with your damn hair. So what you gonna need to do? What you gonna need to do is be a lot more gentle. And when you twist like this, you are tackling both of those frizzy issues. Okay. Yes. Oh, girl. Oh, yes. Okay. Do you like my sweet nothings? Are you learning something? Okay, let's go back to educating. So, we're twisting. I'm gonna skip this. And last but most certainly, not least, my gel. All these products are working in conjunction as a team to make your hair flawless. However, this is a crucial step. If you don't like gel, get the fuck over it. If you don't want frizz, because this is your shining armor. I like to just graze over all the curls that
And we're back. I will now relieve you from my sweet nothings and finish off this video normally. We're back. I'm actually completely dried right now. I know it doesn't look like it, but I have come back completely air dried. The reason I did not want to diffuse was because diffusing can tend to cause slightly more frizz than air drying, just because there is more of an airflow. So if you really want a no frizz result when you are styling, you want to go in with the air dry. So now that my hair is nice, sealed, protected, and locked in to death, now I break up this cast. This is Aveda anti-Humectant pomade. So with this, I will take about that much. You don't need a lot of this stuff. I'm going to emulsify this. I'm going to rub it in my fingers. It's gonna melt a little bit. And this I'm going to use to smooth over the curls. So this will help to break the cast, as well as lay down any extra flyaways and frizz that did escape or happen. So you can see it's softening up the cast. It's feeling really, really soft. And the anti-humectant means it's like anti-humidity. It actually repels water, which is a pretty magic product. And it smells really amazing. It's gonna protect me from the rain. I'm just making my hair bulletproof here. Now you probably don't have to fluff much more than this because you can depend on the humidity to help you expand a little bit. And we are done. So thank you guys for tuning in to today's wash day. I hope you learned something. I hope I didn't disturb you too much. And I will see you guys the new video next and every single Tuesday. If you subscribe to this YouTube channel, please give me a like and comment what else you guys want to see, what you're struggling with. I am here for you. Mains by Mel, out. Are you tired of getting caught in the rain? What's up, YouTube? Humidity, get on your back. I feel weird because I have new hair color. Notice? Are we still filming?
Yes.
I'm a different person now. You're going, why do I sound so monotone? I need to stop this tone. What's up, big guys? I'm going to be explaining to you guys overhead using the voice of Smod. I don't want to say his name. Yeah, I don't know. There's something on my lip.
It's fine.
I didn't want to say God. And this is going to be another video tutorialing. Is that a word? This anti-humectant pomade. You're making noises back there.
I'm sorry. I needed to